Right guys, welcome back to Map TV. Today we've got this beautiful 2018 M5 competition in with us. It's fitting a Milltek Catback system. Let's get cracked on. Right guys, so as you've just seen, we've just removed all the plastic trims and all the bracing, exposing the full exhaust system as we can see now. We're going to get it all off as a one piece, bring it down, lay it next to the Milltek, build them up side by side and make sure everything's there and sweet. So yeah, let's crack on. So as you can see, the stock system's now laid out next to the Milltek pipes and hardware. So we're going to build it all up and get it on the car and stay around. So we're going to do a nice sound check for you. Right guys, so the system's all installed now. Looks epic, sounds epic, so let's get a few sound clips so you can listen to the difference before and after. Right guys, so the car's all finished now, the exhaust system's all fit, it's been in the dyno cell, it's had the stage 1+ tune. If you're interested in the power figures, they're in the description below. As always, if you've got any questions, comments or queries, leave them in the comment section below and we'll see you next time.